What mindset shifts do entrepreneurs need for long-term success? If you're one of those who want to know more about what I think, do watch this video. So for long-term success, you have to think long-term, and it starts with the mindset. But the shift that is required is, if you're mostly a startup, then you're already before that in an employee mindset. You have to go from an employee to a self-employed or to a business mindset. That's point number one on startups. Going from employee to entrepreneur or business mindset. Fear of failure. You can't fear failure. You have to think of failure as an experience. Fear is just the absence of reality. So you fear something that you don't know. You know how many times I get this message all the time? Don't fear it. Adapt it. Right? So again, get experienced, and failure is something you learn from. It's an experience. Think of working hard and then working extra hard and not getting paid for it. That might happen to you as a startup entrepreneur. So don't fear growth. Don't fear being uncomfortable. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. That's important. Think of your comfort zone as your growth zone. Don't think of your comfort zone as, oh my God, I'm so uncomfortable and things are not working out. Think of it as your growth zone. And long-term gratifications, not instant. In a job, sure, every month, instant gratification. In the world of startups, that's not true. Listen, do share with me what you think about this, and like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.